Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks. Somebody wants to turn the word brother into the same shape as his sister to make two different plaques. So what I would want it for them, what I do, would make a duplicate that so you have that sister one. And then take the sister shape, holding down the shift key and double clicking on the rectangle tool, and that put a rectangle around that. Go up to object and convert it to a curve. Take the shape tool and select these two nodes and right click and turn them into a curve. And then with the shape tool, it should snap to the bottom of that line, the bottom of the sisters. Then try to get toward the middle and bring that line down. And you could spend a lot of time or a little bit of time, but something this important, you want it to look the same. So go back to the shape tool and then you can grab the handles and minutely move it to where, so here we're good at the bottom, but we're not at that edge. So I would go to the right instead of going down, just go to the right. So we're pretty good. Now I've already set my nudge factor on 7 inches. So I'm going to take this shape and nudge it over 7 inches. Then I'm actually going to take the sisters and nudge it out of the way. You can actually delete it because you made a copy. Then click on the brother, go up to effects and envelope and click right here, create envelope from. Click on there, you'll get an arrow, put it in there, it made the shape of the brother. Then my suggestion would be to click on the brother, hold down the shift key and click on the shape and hit E. That moved the brother to the top. Now, if you did them in reverse order, you're gonna move the thing up top, which we do not want. So grab your brother first, hold down the shift, grab your shape and hit E, it moved it down there. Then you could actually take away your outline. I just zoomed it up or nudged it up and then just nudge that back over. And then these are both exactly the same. If we look, it's 5.93. This is a little bit bigger. I don't think it has anything really to do with the brother because they're both identical. If we nudge that back over, you can see it's the exact same shape as both. It might be a hair different in the measurement. You can see that this is 5.9. I'm a little bit off, say like right there. So that could be, and I am off, actually at the bottom. I don't know why that would be, but nobody's going to see that and they're going to look pretty cool. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.